This is the trunk closed, running lights on, and flashers. Brakes are off. This is the headlights, running lights on, flashers on, but now the trunk is half latched, so the brake lights and running lights have gone to the lower light where I've attached those wires. So now you can see the flashers are still bright, but the running lights are going. This is the headlights off and the brakes on, and now the rear tail lights are full bright, and so that lights up all the running lights and the stop lights. Same thing with the headlights on, doesn't make any difference. Trailer is fully lit up. With the trunk latched and the brakes and headlights on, the trailer is still completely dark. So you got to keep the trunk in the half latched state. This is the only part I really don't like. With the brakes and flashers going, only the brake lights are on. People can only see the blinkers off of the car. If this was done properly, one of the brake lights would be on solid and the other one would be flashing when you were blinking. Here's a schematic of how I modified the Walmart wiring harness. I guess this is the output connector. It's the standard colors for ground, the running lights, and then the combination brake and turn signal lights. And I wired them up to the car with the lights built into the bumper. I used one of the red lights, either side, doesn't matter. I used the left, and then the left and right yellow lamps. And then you just cut the wires and insert a couple of Schottky diodes, and then also put Schottkys from the brake lights over. I used 1N5822 Schottky diodes, but really any power rectifier will work. 3 amps or so, it should be fine. That's about it. Oh yeah, my lawyer wants you to know that I'm not telling you what to do, I'm only telling you what I did. And if you're foolish enough to try to copy it, you are responsible for whatever success or disasters may ensue. Good luck, think for yourself, have fun.